Nicholas with MABRU here, taking a look at an installation that we just did on a 4WINNS 255 with a Yamaha 300 outboard. So this vessel has a 7,000 BTU with a single 250 amp hour lithium battery. So we're going to go into this little compartment back here. We have our battery right here. So this battery replaced the house battery of the vessel. Here they have their thruster battery, and then over there they have their engine battery. On this vessel they wanted to use outlets, so we have an inverter installed with a 110 volt breaker. We have a fuse for the air conditioner, 50 amp fuse, and then we have the thruster fuse. So it used to be an A&L, and then we changed it to a resettable breaker. Battery switch. Over here we're looking at the battery charger to charge the bank. So this vessel came without shore power, without any connections. So this charger will be charging the 3 battery banks. And then over here we have Sterling Power DC to DC charger. So this is taking charge from the engine battery when the battery is being charged by the engines, and sending that charge to the lithium batteries at the charge rate of lithium batteries. So you can see right now we have the engine at idle, and we're putting out around 15 amps to the lithium batteries. Once again, this is the engine at idle, and so this will decide based on the battery voltage of the engine how much power it can take without depleting the engine battery, and charging and give optimal charge to the lithium battery. Now we're going to go in the cabin to take a look at the unit inside over there. Coming down into the cabin over here, we have this forward area that converts to a bed. We have a discharge over here, AC control. Over back there we have the inverter control. And then back over here we have the AC unit over there. So the customer is gonna have some doors made to cover these up, these little cubbies, and that's why you see the unit there. But that will be covered, and we have a second discharge over here for the aft cabin, or for the mid cabin, I guess we could call this thing. And then we're just going to go back, and I'm going to go over now the pump installation. Going down into this aft compartment under this hatch here. We have the pump installation. So we have our valve, hose, strainer, pump. Here we made a little bleeding system. That way if there's ever an airlock, it would be easy to just purge the air out of the system. Then we're going out, and that's going to the unit. And then looking over the side of the boat over here, we're going to always want to check and make sure that there's proper water flow when the unit is on.